Oh joy! A cocktail tribute to Stimpson J Cat from Ren and Stimpy, big, soft, cream and red, perpetually happy, deeply lovable, and deeply stupid. It's off-white and creamy, with a red grenadine float and an enormous red nose staring right at you. Sweet, round, and slightly ridiculous. Exactly like Stimpy. Let's make it. 7 elements: coconut rum, white creme de cacao, coconut cream, fresh lemon juice, vanilla syrup, a grenadine float, and cream soda for the fizz. Start with 1.5 ounces of coconut rum and 1/2 ounce of white creme de cacao. Soft, sweet, and round. Stimpy in spirit form. This is the cream white body, coconut rum for the roundness, and the creme de cacao for that gentle white chocolate note. Malibu is the classic. Stimpy is off-white and red, so we keep this base pale and creamy. Now the softness. 1/2 ounce of coconut cream for the big, soft, round body. No egg white needed. The coconut cream does all the work. Then 1/2 ounce of vanilla syrup for that round, comforting sweetness. And 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, so the brightness cuts through all the richness. Stimpy is perpetually delighted, and so is this drink. Now the good part. Pour cream soda gently down the inside edge for the happy fizz. Oh joy. Then float 1/4 ounce of grenadine over the back of a spoon so it sits as a thin red layer on top. His red markings, bleeding softly down into the cream. And finally stand one big, round, red maraschino cherry upright in the center. The enormous red nose, looking right at you. He's happy to see you. Rim a wide coupe with white or cream sanding sugar, his soft white fur. Shake the coconut rum, creme de cacao, coconut cream, lemon juice, and vanilla syrup hard with ice for 15 seconds. Double strain into the glass, pale cream white and slightly opaque. Pour the cream soda down the edge for the fizz. Float the grenadine over a spoon for the red markings, and stand the big red cherry upright in the center, the nose. Oh joy. Sweet, creamy, and coconut forward with lemon brightness cutting the richness, cream soda sparkle, and grenadine cherry sweetness where it bleeds in. Simple, lovable, and slightly ridiculous. Just like him. Oh joy, next time we deal with his roommate. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.